everyone, welcome back to a brand new edition of Blu-ray unboxing reviews. With this time, with the new DC installment, SHAZAM. You've got the main Blu-ray cover right here. SHAZAM. The spine, SHAZAM there. You can see that. And the back, if you want to take a pause and see what it says there. Oh, I didn't say that spine. Oh well. So you got that. Also, it comes with a SHAZAM motion comic book. Give you a little guide through. Also a DC leaflet on to continue your journey into the DC universe. You've got Lego DC super villains right here. Birds of Prey and Krypton, all about the Deviant Blu-ray releasing and Batman Hush. Also on the little information on the new DVD, explore DC TV shows like coming out on DVD and Blu-ray. You've got Titans, Krypton, Black Lightning. Also, you can pre-order all that information, and you must collect all the Batman films from the way back a long time ago. And also, on the back it says what we just said: Birds of Prey, and the Adventures of One Harley Quinn. That's the title, and it's coming out next year, coming soon. If you want to say that again. That's that. Also, one more thing, we also get the You also get the Blu-ray disc as well, which is plain blue, as always. And on here it's got New Line Cinema as well, and it's rated 12. Thank you for watching my brand new unboxing video of the new Blu-ray SHAZAM, and also thank you for this year for my Blu-ray unboxings reviews. So see you then. Signing out.